Africa Content TV.
Welcome to African Content TV. If you are joining us for the first time, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button for the new update.
Watch the arrival of Mayegun of Yorubaland, the music maestro King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal, and his ever-industrial elegant wife. The couple walk elegantly with the full security at the coronation of the Olopades as the Osi Aṣáájú Ọba of Egbaland. You can watch the couple moment at the venue. This African Content TV. If you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe.
The man who has risen from the ashes like a phoenix was due to soar like an eagle. Honorable Olopades, the OC Aṣojú Ọba of Egbaland, with his delectable and wonderful wife, Erelu Aṣojú Ọba of Egbaland. He is the king himself. Mayegun General of Yorubaland. They were the ultimate.